Are you eager to discover how you can turn your digital art into a profitable venture? With the rise of NFTs, opportunities to monetize your creativity are expanding rapidly. But how exactly can you leverage this technology to earn money? In today's video, we will explore how to make money with digital art and NFTs. From direct sales and auctions to creating limited editions and exploring new revenue streams, we'll cover various strategies to help you succeed in this dynamic field. Let's get started. But before we continue, we would like you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon so you do not miss out on any amazing and entertaining content. Also, for more updates, be sure to visit our website regularly at cryptogalorenews.live and follow us on Instagram at cryptonewsgalore. Understanding digital art. Digital art represents a broad spectrum of artistic creations made using digital tools. This can include artwork created with software like Adobe Photoshop, digital painting applications, or 3D modeling programs. Unlike traditional art, digital art exists in an electronic format, which allows it to be easily shared and sold online. Artists use various digital tools, such as tablets and styluses, to create and refine their work. The flexibility of digital art means artists can make adjustments and experiment with different techniques without the constraints of physical media. The rise of online platforms has made it easier for artists to reach a global audience, offering new opportunities for selling and showcasing their work. Introduction to NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have transformed how digital art is bought and sold. NFTs are unique digital assets stored on a blockchain, ensuring that each token represents a one-of-a-kind item. Unlike cryptocurrencies, which are identical and can be exchanged for one another, NFTs are distinct and cannot be replicated. This uniqueness is what gives NFTs value, as collectors seek to own rare and exclusive items. By minting digital art as NFTs, artists can establish ownership and receive payment for their work. The blockchain technology behind NFTs also allows for transparency and security in transactions, making it easier for artists to sell their work and receive fair compensation. Creating your digital art. To start making money with digital art, creating high-quality, distinctive pieces is essential. Utilize software and tools that align with your artistic style. Programs like Adobe Illustrator and Procreate are popular among digital artists for their versatility and precision. Develop a unique artistic style and continually refine your skills by practicing and experimenting with different techniques. Study successful digital artists to gain insights and inspiration for your own work. Building a strong portfolio is crucial as it showcases your abilities and attracts potential buyers. Share your art on social media and art communities to gain visibility and connect with your audience. Direct sales on NFTs. Selling NFTs directly allows artists to maintain control over their pricing and sales strategy. To do this effectively, artists should choose reputable NFT marketplaces, such as Rarible, OpenSea, or Foundation. These platforms enable artists to mint their digital artworks and list them for sale. Setting appropriate prices for your NFTs and managing sales on these platforms can lead to significant profits. Additionally, artists can earn royalties from secondary sales, where their NFT is resold at a higher price. This system creates an ongoing income stream, benefiting artists each time their work changes hands. Auctioning NFTs. Hosting an auction for your NFTs can generate excitement and drive up the value of your work. By creating a sense of competition, auctions often lead to higher final bids. Platforms like Foundation and Nifty Gateway facilitate NFT auctions, allowing artists to sell their work to the highest bidder. Auctions are particularly effective for unique or highly sought-after pieces, as they can attract enthusiastic collectors and drive up the price through competitive bidding. This method can enhance the perceived value of your art and help you achieve higher sales. Limited edition drops. Creating limited edition NFTs can increase demand and drive up prices. By releasing a restricted number of copies of a digital artwork, you create a sense of scarcity that can make each piece more valuable. This approach builds anticipation and urgency among collectors, encouraging them to purchase before the artwork sells out. Limited edition drops are a powerful way to generate excitement and increase the perceived value of your NFTs, leading to higher sales and greater interest in your work. Collaboration and partnerships. Collaborating with other artists or brands can expand your reach and increase your earnings. Working with other creators allows you to tap into their audience and gain exposure to new potential buyers. Partnerships with brands or crypto projects can also provide additional income opportunities and increase the visibility of your art. By joining forces with others in the industry, you can attract a larger audience and enhance the value of your NFTs through combined efforts and cross-promotion. Royalties. NFTs offer the advantage of royalties, which are a percentage of sales that artists can earn from future transactions. By setting up smart contracts on the blockchain, artists can automatically receive a portion of the sale price each time their NFT is resold. This feature provides a passive income stream and ensures that artists continue to benefit from their work over time. Many NFT marketplaces allow artists to specify the royalty percentage they wish to receive, offering an additional revenue source beyond the initial sale. Tokenized ownership. Tokenizing ownership of your art can create new investment opportunities. By converting physical artwork into a digital token, you allow collectors to own a piece of your work without physically possessing it. This method provides a way to enter the NFT market while retaining ownership of the original piece. Tokenized ownership enables collectors to invest in valuable art and supports artists by broadening their revenue options and increasing their market reach. Virtual exhibitions or galleries. Hosting virtual exhibitions can showcase your NFT art to a global audience in an immersive online environment. Platforms like Auctions and Decentraland offer virtual spaces where artists can display their work as they would in a physical gallery. These virtual exhibitions can be monetized by charging admission fees or selling tickets to exclusive events. By presenting your art in a virtual setting, you can reach a wider audience and generate income while promoting your work on a larger scale. Merchandise and licensing. Transforming your NFT art into merchandise, such as prints, apparel, or accessories, is another way to generate revenue. Partnering with print-on-demand services or online stores can help you produce and sell physical items featuring your artwork. Additionally, licensing your NFTs for use in various applications, like digital collectibles, can provide further income. By leveraging merchandise and licensing, you can expand your revenue streams and reach new audiences who may be interested in your art beyond the digital realm. Tokenized Access. Offering tokenized access through NFTs can provide collectors with exclusive benefits. For example, owning certain NFTs can grant access to private art galleries, special events, or early previews of new work. This strategy enhances the value of your NFTs by adding unique perks and experiences for token holders. By creating exclusive opportunities tied to your NFTs, you can attract collectors who are interested in both the art and the special privileges associated with owning it. Successfully making money with digital art and NFTs requires a multifaceted approach. Artists should focus on creating high-quality work, leveraging various sales strategies, and engaging with their audience. By exploring direct sales, auctions, limited editions, and collaborations, as well as utilizing royalties and tokenized ownership, artists can maximize their earnings and build a sustainable income stream. Experiment with different methods and find what works best for your art to achieve success in the digital art and NFT market. If you enjoyed this video and want to dive deeper into making money with digital art and NFTs, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For additional resources, visit our website at cryptogalorenews.live. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at cryptonewsgalore for updates and the latest news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.